Ready for 40 English questions? Challenge your knowledge. Let's start. Find the closest synonym of several. Answer C. Various. Which is a synonym of fight? Answer B. Battle. What does fair enough mean? Answer D. Makes sense. What does put two and two together mean? Answer B. Deduce. Choose the antonym of crystallize. Answer A. Dissolve. What is the antonym of implicit? Answer C. Explicit. Choose the antonym of amplify. Answer B. Reduce. Choose the correct plural of helix. Answer C. Helices. What is the plural form of stratum? Answer A. Strata. Choose the correct plural of species. Answer C. Species. Which option correctly fills the gap? Answer B. Having tried everything, they still failed. Fill in the blank with the correct option. Answer C. I felt exhausted after the long walk in the park. Can you guess the missing word? Answer D. She might have misunderstood the message. What is the past form of so? Answer B. Sewed. Choose the past tense of shear. Answer C. Sheared. Choose the correct spelling. Answer A. Continue. Choose the correct spelling. Answer B. Disaster. Pick the correct spelling. Answer D. Dominate. Identify the correct spelling. Answer A. Emotional. Which is a synonym of essential? Answer C. Necessary. Pick a synonym of untidy. Answer A. Messy. Choose a synonym of timid. Answer D. Shy. What does break the ice mean? Answer C. Relax. What does run on empty mean? Answer A. Be exhausted. What does cut to the chase mean? Answer B. Get to it. Choose the antonym of bypass. Answer A. Confront. Opposite of withhold. Answer B. Release. Choose the correct plural of fisherman. Answer A. Fisherman. What is the plural form of flash? Answer D. Flashes. Choose the correct plural of mouse. Answer B. Mice. Fill the gap. Answer B. His skill in handling pressure is admirable. Can you guess the missing word? Answer A. I don't know whom to ask about this issue. Fill the gap. Answer C. She speaks English quite well. Can you guess the missing word? Answer B. You should see a doctor if the pain continues. What's the past tense of outdo? Answer A. Outdid. Choose the past form of resell. Answer B. Resold. Just 4 more to finish. Which spelling is correct? Answer C. Transition. Pick the correct spelling. Answer A. Harmonize. Identify the correct spelling. Answer C. Nominate. Which spelling is correct? Answer B. Version. Congratulations! Amazing work! How did you score? Comment below and subscribe.